Can you believe I'm 45? Look at all that white hair. You know what's done it all? I'm gonna show you right now. You ready? It's Asen. He's making Pawpaw's hair turn white. But we're digging a hole, ain't we?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do at that hole? We are gonna try to plant this asparagus bush that somebody else has already started for us. And so our plan is to dig that hole deep enough till I can set this guy right here in there about ground level. And hopefully when we're done, we'll have a nice little spot for asparagus. So to be continued. Oh man, after a lot of slave labor, I have got this boy to dig this hole, I think, deep enough. What's in there? Anything I need to know about?
Oh, so look.
You think it's deep enough? Can we put our asparagus in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to listen to the expert here.
Oh.
And we're going to get that asparagus in the hole, and we'll be right back.
I'm choke.
Okay, boss. If you need to jump, get it out of your system. Boy, that really helps Pawpaw when he's planting when you do that. You know what? That just really loosens up the soil correctly.
I jump
like
now.
all the experts say. Yeah, keep jumping in there. All right, are you ready? Now, watch out. Thank you. You sure are a good helper. Let's move your big old shovel out of the way. There you go. All right, now, let's see if we can get this asparagus. Let's see if that looks like about right. You know what, Asen?
A what?
I think that is perfect.
No, a what?
So we're gonna see what's up. Squirt, what do you think, man?
Nothing.
All right. So now, let's see if I can get this out of here.
Water.
Yeah, there's water in there, ain't there? Not for long. Oh, all right. Oh man. Golly, all that water. All right, let's move this water out of the way. Yeah. Now, hopefully, I will do this justice here. This dadgum long ferns makes it kind of hard, so. Is this the right time to transplant? I doubt it. But, it's free to me. I take free stuff and I put it in the ground and I do the best I can with it. And I've actually been fairly successful. And thanks to a lot of you other guys out there on YouTube.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it? See, look. See our root ball from the potted plant? All right, my grandson says that's awesome. Is that awesome, Bubba?
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right. So let's break it up just a little bit here.
Okay.
We think we need to break it up just a little bit. Yeah, oh, that old root ball. Dad burn, it's there, ain't it? Oh, man. It was time, wasn't it? This poor old thing wants to do something with itself, but oh, be careful, baby. Let me see. There we go. Good job. All right. So, first shot at asparagus. I will show you just a second. We got to show them the video. They want to see. Look, this is what we are looking at, okay? So we dug our hole out. Plenty of room. It's at about ground level there. These guys, they approve. And Asen, was that hole deep enough, baby? You like it? Think we should bury it now?
No.
No. If we leave it open, then it's not going to live. Should we push the dirt back?
Yeah.
Okay, you heard him. We're going to get that done now. So, hope you're enjoying this.
Now,
All right.
dig a hole.
Okay, now, see, look, all that dirt we piled up?
Yeah.
Remember I made you dig all that dirt?
Yeah.
Let's pull it back in the hole now, okay? Now it's time to fill the hole back in. All right. Filling that hole back in. You know, a lot of us griping about the young people these days, and I'm telling you, as a father of 4, and this is my grandson here, as a father of 4, we don't take any time to instill in them the things that are important to us. And that's a crime in itself, and that's part of the problem with what's going on. And I don't mean just harping on them and jumping on them all the time. I mean taking the time, having a little peace, a little patience, and dealing with them every time I go to put my shovel into the ground, this baby reaches down for a worm or a rock or something that's interesting to him.
A worm?
Yeah, sometimes we see worms, don't we?
Yeah.
Do you reach in the hole when you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Pawpaw really doesn't want to chop your fingers off. And it really frustrates Pawpaw because he's old, you know what?
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm just old and gripey, ain't I?
Yeah.
But for this turkey's sake, if he's going to grow up and learn how to live in this big wide world, I don't care if it is going all AI and whatever else in the heck's going on here. I'm going to teach him about Jesus and about how to do things the old way, as best I know. And I would encourage you guys to take you're going to become infuriated at moments if you're dealing with young people, because they don't know anything. That's what we're here for. So if you got a little peace in your heart, hopefully you can get it. You got to take a little bit of time. It's okay if you get mad every once in a while and blow up, but you know what? You got to make sure them babies know that you love them and that Jesus loves them, and you got to show them the best you can how to do this stuff, because they're going to need it worse than us. Just saying. So, anywho, this little turkey and I, we have planted our asparagus. What do you think, Bubba? Does it look pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you figure out how to plant this stuff today?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Jump.
There he is. Now he wants to jump. So, anywho, all my followers there on YouTube, I hope you enjoyed the video. And that's how we threw in the old asparagus. We'll see how it goes later on. Thanks for coming to watch me.